Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences.
Today in this video we will discuss about the Roku Ultra 2020 setup process. With the help of this guide we will walk through the easy and short steps that help to complete the setup process. Setting up your Roku Ultra 2020 is a simple process that involves connecting the device to your TV, powering it on, and configuring the settings. Don't miss out this video for hassle-free setup. So first of all, make sure you have the Roku Ultra device, power adapter, remote control, HDMI cable, and batteries for the remote. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI port on the Roku Ultra and the other end into an available HDMI port on your TV. Power up, connect the power adapter to the Roku Ultra and plug it into a power outlet. Power on your TV and use the TV remote to select the HDMI input that your Roku Ultra is connected to. Insert the included batteries into the Roku remote control. Pairing. If the remote doesn't automatically pair with the Roku Ultra, press and hold the pairing button inside the battery compartment until the pairing light flashes. Select your preferred language using the remote. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks and enter the password to connect. Alternatively, you can use an Ethernet cable for a wired connection. The Roku Ultra will check for any software updates and install them if necessary. This process may take a few minutes. An activation code will be displayed on the screen. Go to roku.com/link on your computer or mobile device. Enter the activation code and follow the prompts to create a Roku account or log into your existing account. Add the streaming services and channels you want to use. You may need to sign in to these services with your credentials. Settings. Adjust settings such as display type, audio preferences, and parental controls as needed. Browse through the Roku interface to explore various channels and features. Remote features. Use the voice search, private listening, if you have the Roku mobile app or headphones connected to the remote, and other features to enhance your viewing experience. Now your Roku Ultra 2020 is ready to use.
Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.